Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between rolling hills, lived a kind old woman named Agnes. She had a peculiar pet, an enchanted egg. Every morning, Agnes would carefully tend to the egg, whispering sweet words of encouragement. The egg would glow softly, warming the small cottage on cold winter nights. One day, a mischievous boy named Timmy, who lived nearby, heard about the magic egg. Intrigued, he decided to sneak into Agnes' cottage one evening. Timmy tiptoed around the cottage, his heart pounding with excitement. But when he reached the egg, he found it was different. The egg spoke to him, "Timmy, I've been waiting for someone like you." Timmy was surprised. "What do you mean?" he asked, his eyes wide with wonder. "I am an egg of magic," the egg explained. "I can grant you one wish, but be careful what you wish for it may come with a price." Timmy thought for a moment. He wished for a friend, someone he could play with and share his adventures. The egg glowed brighter, and before Timmy's eyes, a small dragon hatched from the egg. "Meet Sparky, your new friend," the egg said, its glow fading. Timmy was overjoyed, and he and Sparky quickly became inseparable. From that day on, Timmy learned the importance of being careful with wishes. He and Sparky had many wonderful adventures, but Timmy always remembered the magic egg's warning. And Agnes, she smiled every time she saw the two friends playing, grateful for the magic that had come into her life. As the sun set, Timmy would return the magic egg to Agnes, promising to take care of it until the next time he wished for something. And though the egg was magical, it was the friendship between Timmy and Sparky that truly made their days brighter. So, remember, be careful what you wish for, but never forget the power of friendship. For sometimes, the most magical things in life are not things at all, but the people we meet along the way. Good night, little ones, and may your dreams be filled with magic eggs and wonderful friends.